Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Akfaisi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to talk about assay of aspirin. Our aim to estimate the amount of aspirin present in the given aspirin tablets. So friends, what chemicals? Acetyl salicylic acid. This is the aspirin, acetyl salicylic acid. Molecular formula C9H8O4. This is the structure. What is the uses? Analgesic, antipyretics, anti-rheumatic. This is the dose. Analgesic, antipyretics 0.6 grams 4 to 6 times per day. Rheumatics 0.1 gram 4 to 6 times a day up to 10 grams. Usual strength 0.15 grams, 0.3 grams, 0.5 grams and so on. What is the standard? Aspirin tablet contain not less than 95.0% and not more than 105 percentage of stated amount of aspirin. What is the principle? Aspirin can be determined by methods of back titration with blank determinations. Determination involve back titration consists in addition of excess of a standard volumetric solution to a weight amounts of sample and determinations of the excess not required by the sample. In general, black determinations are used if the volumetric solution is unstable and if alters in strength during assay. It is necessary to perform black determinations in assay which involve heating and liquid containing excess of standard alkali in a apparent change. In a strength of certain indicators are used. This may be due to interaction of the reagent with the glass to the absorptions of atmospheric carbon dioxide. The amount of change will be depends upon the condition used. In fact, the alkali must be standardized under the conditions to be using the determination. This is called a blank determination. Determination of presence of aspirin depends upon the reaction expressed by the following equations. You can see this is the general reactions. Reactive sodium hydroxide gives these two products. So 180.1 gram of C9H8O is equal to 2000 milliliter of 1-NaOH and 0.04504 grams of this 1 milliliter of 0.59 NaOH. So chemicals: aspirin tablets, solid sodium carbonate, 0.5 NaOH, 0.5 NaCl, methyl orange and phenolphthalein indicator. Apparatus: burette, pipette and conical flask. What is the procedure? Preparations of standard sodium carbonate solution. Weigh accurately about 2.65 grams of sodium carbonate into a 100 milliliter standard flask. Dissolve it in minimum quantity of distilled water. Then make it up to the mark. Shake well for uniform concentration. The second step, standardization of HCl solution. Clean the burette, rinse with distilled water and then rinse with given HCl solution. Fill the burette with the given HCl solution and clamp it to the stand. Pipette out 20 milliliter of prepared sodium carbonate solution into a clean conical flask. Add 20 milliliter of distilled water to it. Add 1-2 drops of methyl orange and titrate the solutions with HCl taken in the burette until the color changes from yellow to orange. Repeat the titration for concurrent reading. So friends, in step third, you have to standardize the sodium hydroxide solution, blank determinations. Fill the burette with hydrochloric acid. Pipette out 20 milliliter of given sodium hydroxide solution into a clean conical flask. Add 20 milliliter of distilled water. Boil gently for 10 minutes. Add 1-2 drops of phenolphthalein. Titrate it against standardized HCl taken in the burette until the color changes from pink to colorless. Repeat the titrations until the concurrent reading are obtained. In step 5th, assay of aspirin, weigh and powder 20 tablets. Weigh accurately a quantity of powder equivalent to about 0.15 grams of aspirin into a clean conical flask. Add 20 milliliter of sodium hydroxide and 20 milliliter of distilled water. Boil gently for 10 minutes and titrate the excess of sodium hydroxide with HCl using phenolphthalein indicator. Each milliliter of 0.5 NaOH is equivalent to 0.04054 grams of C9H8O4. What the results? The percentage of aspirin has been calculated as. You can calculate like that. Calculations. Step 1. Preparation of standard sodium carbonate solutions. Weight of empty weighing bottles W1. Weigh of bottle with sodium carbonate W2. Weigh of bottle after transferring sodium carbonate W3. Weigh of sodium carbonate taken W2 minus W3. Normality of sodium carbonate solution is equal to weight into 1000 divided by equivalent weight 53 into 100 is equal to N1. Step 2. Standardization of HCl solution. Sodium carbonate react with HCl, gives sodium chloride, water and carbon dioxide. Just write serial number, volume of sodium carbonate, Biuret reading initial final, and volume of HCl rundown. So normality of sodium carbonate into volume of sodium carbonate is equal to normality of hydrochloric acid and volume of hydrochloric acid. So normality of hydrochloric acid is equal to normality of sodium carbonate and volume of sodium carbonate divided by volume of hydrochloric acid is equal to N2. In step 3, standardization of sodium hydroxide solution, black determination. Sodium hydroxide react with HCl to give sodium chloride H2O, serial number 1, 2, 3, volume of NaOH and Biuret reading initial final, and volume of HCl run down. So friends, then you do the calculation. Normality of NaOH into volume of NaOH is equal to normality of HCl into volume of HCl. So you have to calculate normality of sodium hydroxide with the help of this formula. Normality of HCl into volume of HCl divided by volume of NaOH. This is N3. So step 4, assay of aspirin. Weight of tablet you can take. Total weight of tablet, average weight of tablets, weigh of powder equivalent to 0.15 gram of aspirin, serial number, Biuret reading initial final, volume of HCl rundown by ml. So x ml of HCl required for neutralization of 20 ml of sodium hydroxide. Y ml of HCl required to the neutralizations of what ml of sodium hydroxide. You have to calculate with the help of this formula. Is equal to y into 20 ml divided by x is equal to z ml, and then sodium hydroxide volume is equal to z ml. Volume of sodium hydroxide used for hydrolysis of aspirin 20 milliliter is equal to z ml. So 1 milliliter of 0.5 normal sodium hydroxide is equivalent to 0.04054 gram of aspirin. So 1 milliliter of sodium N3 sodium hydroxide is equivalent to what gram of aspirin? So you have to calculate with the help of this formula. So amount of aspirin present is equal to 20 minus Z into A is equal to B grams. So amount of aspirin present and purity B into 100 0.15. So friends, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.